here pretty quick. Watching 2 YouTube videos. Since I watch all my shows. 3. 28. 23. There you go. That's pretty good, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. But I had a bed here. Pretty tired. So, raining out pretty good right now. I don't know if you guys can see the windows and stuff, but can you guys hear it? Probably not, but check it out. But yeah, let's head to bed here. I got tomorrow off. Hopefully spend some time with my uncle and my aunt before they leave. They're leaving Tuesday to fly back. So yeah. Battery's blinking on my charger. Battery's blinking on my camera. I have to charge it pretty soon. Tomorrow maybe, if I don't forget. But yeah, I got tomorrow off. Took it off. Well, I was supposed to work, but then I took it off so I could spend time with my uncle and my aunt before they leave back to Florida. Because I have no idea when I'm gonna see them again. So yeah. But yeah, good scooting special matters. Put best open the bank. Yeah, played a lot of Pokemon Alpha Sapphire. Yeah, Alpha Sapphire today. I got Latias, the Omega version of this. I mean the Mega Evolution of this thing. Mega Evolution of this thing. That's yes. It's freaking awesome. And I got Fly and all that stuff. Surf. TM moves and stuff. So it's pretty swag-tastic, if I do say so myself, I guess. I don't know. But tired. I had a headache through most of the day. Not really, but I was starting to come, then I fell asleep and it went away, and then it started to come again, and then blah blah blah. But I'm gonna end the vlog before my camera dies. So anyways guys, if you guys are new, please subscribe early, helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys as always. Have a day, or night, or whenever you're watching this. Bye. Thinking about that. That's it.